how to convert PDF to Excel file. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with some best ways you can follow up to convert a PDF to an Excel file. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So you can open up the Excel and, for example, a new document. So what we can do is we can basically go to file option in the top left and click on the option called open. So click on open and you may select up your PDF file. So go ahead and find your PDF file from your device. For example, I would like to use, let's say this is a PDF file. So you need to have the newer versions of Excel, then only you will be able to upload the PDF file directly and click on open. Once you've done so, it will basically convert your PDF data will appear in a spreadsheet very directly. Otherwise, we can use the Get Data option for more control. So go to the Data tab in the top. And once we are here, we can go over and look out for From File option or From PDF. So we have from text, CSV, from web, and many more. We can look out for the option called From PDF and go ahead and select it. After that, you can open up that PDF file, select every PDF file that is available in your device and click on import. And once you do, it will be directly imported. You can choose the table where you want it and click on load and confirm it up. Click on load and confirm it up. And it is best for structured tables. Another method we can follow up is we can directly copy and paste. So we can open up the PDF where you have your PDF file located. Go ahead and find it up. After that, you can just go over and copy out the table. So go ahead and Control C. And once you've copied the table, you can head over to Excel. And within Excel, you can go ahead and paste it if possible. So let's head over here and you can Control V and you can start pasting it. You can select and press Control V. And that way you should be able to paste it. You can use data and guard for text to columns option. This one right here, and go ahead and make up the changes and go ahead and click on next and go ahead and click on next once again and finish it up and provide it up. You can also use small PDF or Adobe Acrobat in order to upload PDF, convert it to Excel, and then download it. And that's it, everybody. For now, you can just go over and take a small overview of this. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.